Hey everyone, let's make your hair beautiful. Have a braid in the middle section of the hair, make it to the top and have a hairpin attached to it. Then the left section of hair, make it loose and the bottom part of it, have a rubber attached and move it to the right, covering the entire bun we created and secure with a lovely hairpin. Make a braid on the top part of the ponytail and have a lump and have it attached to the rubber band. Then the remaining tail, have another rubber band and make a loop and drop the tail inside and make the entire loop go around the bun we created and stuff the tips inside the bun we created again. Then have a very large hairpin and secure it from the bottom of the bun. Grab the hair from the sides and tie it in the middle with the rubber band and make a twisted band once. And with the remaining hair along with the tail we already have two more ponytails. And using a loop, insert it in the left side and bring the entire right tail into the left. Make it completely come down. Do the same for the left side of the tail as well. Then after you've done it, have the tails combine with each other by having a rubber band and stuff the tips completely inside the bun we created. Have a very large hair clutcher of your choice. Grab your hair from the sides and tie it in the middle with the rubber band and have it attached to the top by having a large hair clutcher. Then twist the middle part of your hair attached to the second one and the right one to the first one and the left one to the third one. The remaining hair, make it go down even more further by having a very large hairpin. Insert a finger on the left side of your ponytail and make the tail completely go into it and make it come down. And have a rubber band attached to the bottom part, stuffing it, making a bun and secure its position by having a very large hairpin of your choice from left to right. Grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle with the rubber band and drop it into the loop. Then have a very large hair clutcher. It's a very simple design. Make the twisted band again and to the remaining ponytail have two rubber bands attached and make a bun out of the middle part and make the tail go to the top and have a very large hair clutcher. Then with the remaining tail have a rubber band to the top part and make it go even more down by having a hairpin. Go for the twisted band again and the remaining hair make a ponytail and make the ponytail go into the left loop we created. Then have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part and stuff the tips inside and make it go to the bottom right part and secure with the hairpin. Then complete the ridge by having your beautiful hair clips of your choice. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to your hair and grab the middle left section of the hair, twist it and attach to the second one and do the same for the right one as well. Then grab some more hair from the left section attached to the first section and do the same for the third one. Have 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached vertically on your ponytail on the top section and grab some hair from the sides below the ponytail and attach it to the corresponding sections. Grab your lovely hair from behind and have it tied with a rubber band, making a ponytail and have a lump. Then have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part and make a bun, make it to the top and have a very large hair clutcher of your choice. Make a lovely bunch out of your beautiful hair and have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part and bend the tip over and have a tip stuffed inside the bun in the middle part and have it secured to the top with a lovely hair clutcher of your choice. Tie your hair in the middle and grab even more hair from the bottom of it and tie it again with the rubber band and make the twisted band. Grab even more hair from near bottom of it and go for a twisted band once. Braid the remaining hair and have it twisted, go to the top and have it attached with a lovely hairpin of your choice. Make a lump out of your beautiful bunch and have a tip with the rubber band and have a loop in the middle part and drop the tip inside and make it go to the clockwise and pinch the remaining hair a little bit for some design. Create a ridge on your ponytail and drop the tail inside and have a rubber band attached to the bottom part and move the tail to the top and have it attached to the ridge by having a large hair clutcher of your choice. Twist your lovely ponytail on one third of a very large hair clutcher and make a bun and make it attached from right to left and secure its position by closing it. Twist your gorgeous hair using your index finger and have a bun and secure it with a large hair clutcher. Thank you guys for watching this video.